to send disappearing messages on Signal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Signal app on your device. Then click on the chat where you want to enable disappearing messages. After you've clicked on the chat, click on their name at the top. After you click on their name at the top here, you'll find disappearing messages. Click on disappearing messages in here. Now you'll find different options. Select the one you prefer. I'm simply selecting 5 minutes. After that, make sure there's a dot and press on save at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, all new messages will auto-delete after the set time. You can send messages as usual. And this is how to send disappearing messages on Signal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.